What if I told you that you do not need weeks, months, or a perfectly filmed and edited course to start making money with digital products? Because one of the biggest mistakes people make when they start selling digital products online is spending way too much time building a product before they know if anyone will actually buy it. And that is exactly why so many launches flop. So in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create a digital product in 24 hours, how to validate it before you overbuild it, and the simple system that I would use to start selling fast. So make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to share the exact digital product shortcut that helped me go from 0 to 15K months in just 30 days. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kimberly Latona. I've spent the last 15 years coaching entrepreneurs and building businesses. And over the past several years, I've built online income streams that allow me to work part-time hours while supporting my family. So, digital product sales have been by far the simplest, most scalable, and most profitable business model I've found. And one of the biggest reasons is this: you do not need to create the entire thing before you start selling it. So, here's the part that most beginners get completely backwards. They think the product comes first. It doesn't. The marketing comes first because if no one buys the product, it doesn't matter how pretty it is, or how long it took you to make, or how much effort you put into it. So if I wanted to create a digital product fast, I would pre-sell it. Okay. That means instead of building the entire thing up front, first I would create the promise, the marketing, the checkout page, and either one small piece of the product or a delivery timeline. Okay. That's it. Because pre-selling gives you something that most people don't get until way too late: validation. Okay, you get to find out, does anyone want this? Is the messaging clear? Is the problem painful enough? Are people willing to pay for it? If the answer is yes, now you can build it with confidence. That is one of the fastest paths if you're learning how to create digital products to sell online for beginners. So if I were creating a digital product in 24 hours, I would not start by opening Canva and designing 47 pages. I know it's tempting. I would start by answering one question: what result does this product help someone get? Because people don't just buy digital products for tactics, okay, or for information. They buy them for outcomes. They don't want a course on copywriting. They want help writing words that convert into sales. Okay, they don't want a business guide. They want a simple way to make money online. They don't want dog training videos. They want a better behaved dog. Okay, and that's why the promise matters so much. You need to know what problem it solves, who it's for, and what result it helps create. The clearer the result, the easier it is to sell. And that is also the best way to sell digital products online, not by making the product sound impressive, but by making the results sound irresistible and obvious. So, by the way, if you want help choosing a digital product idea and mapping out the simple funnel behind it, download my free Digital Freedom Business Blueprint below. So, if I only had 24 hours, I would not create a giant course. Okay, I would create one of these: a PDF guide, a mini workshop, a short training, a checklist or template bundle, a simple resource pack, or one module of a larger course. Okay, if you have a bigger idea, that's it. Because the best digital products to sell online when you want speed are usually simple, specific, and fast to explain. Okay, the easier it is to explain, the easier it is to sell. So if I were doing this in 24 hours, I would choose one clear product type and one clear, specific, simple problem. Okay, so there's two easy ways to pre-sell. The first option one, the first one is to build the first part of it. Okay, so if it's a course that's longer or it's a membership, you can create one module, one lesson, one training, and then on the checkout page, explain when the rest will be released. Okay, this works really well because buyers get something right away, you buy yourself time, and the real buyer questions help you improve the rest of the product. Okay, the second option is to sell it before it's built. So if it's a workshop, an ebook, a guide, you can pre-sell it before the final product exists. So you can simply just tell buyers what it is, what result it helps create, and when they will receive it. Okay, so for example, doors close Friday, the product will be delivered on July 20th. Okay, that gives you time to create it after you already know it will sell. And that is a much smarter use of your time than spending months building something without knowing if people want it. Okay. This is one of the reasons why Kickstarter, if you've ever heard of Kickstarter, people raise money before they created the product, and then they use the money to go invest in the product, and then they give it to the people once it's ready. Okay. So let's see. So the next thing I want to say is What do you actually need to build it? Okay. Most people think that they need a full website, a huge sales page, a giant course portal, maybe on Kajabi, perfect branding, a beautiful logo. No, you need a checkout page. Okay. You literally just need a checkout page. Okay. That's it. It needs to have your product name, a clear promise, what's included, and how it will be delivered. Okay. And a payment form. It's simple. It doesn't have to be complicated, okay? And that's why I love System.io, okay? System.io is, for in my opinion, the best platform to sell digital products online because it lets you create the page, take payments, collect emails, send follow-up emails, and deliver the product all in one place. So you can start for free, not just a free trial, but a free account for up to 2,000 subscribers, okay? So I put a link below in the description to get your free System.io account. All right, now let's talk about the part people underestimate. You still need people to sell it to. Okay. And this is why I don't recommend trying to sell it only through Etsy or Amazon and hoping the marketplace does the work for you. The better path is building your own audience. Okay. My favorite traffic platform is YouTube. Okay. Where you're watching this right now, because unlike Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, YouTube is a search engine, which means that your content can keep getting discovered long after you post it. And people are searching for certain things and certain keywords about the problem that they have. And that is one of the best ways to sell digital products online without marketing investment. Evergreen content leading to a simple freebie and a clear offer. Okay, so here's a simple system. Okay, the traffic is posted, it's content that's posted on one platform. Okay, that leads to your freebie, which is an opt-in, and it has automated emails. Okay, that goes into your email sequence where you sell and you link the checkout page, and then which leads to your sales page where you pre-sell the offer. Okay, or sell the offer. So that's it. And yes, you can also pre-sell the offer to an existing email list if you already have an email list, or an engaged Instagram audience if you already have followers, or another warm audience that you already have. Okay, but if you want long-term leverage, I still love YouTube the best. It's what's working right now in 2026. So if I wanted to create a digital product in 24 hours, I would absolutely use AI. Okay, I would use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm the product idea, clarify the result, outline the content, draft the checkout page copy, write emails, create caption ideas, and script the launch content. Okay. Then I'd use Canva to design the freebie, create the PDF or workbook, build the product mockups, make simple sales graphics, and then I would store the product file in Google Drive and sell it on my System.io checkout page. Okay. And that's one of the reasons it's easier than ever to start selling digital products online. It's also why you don't need to be an expert at design or tech to get started. You just need a clear offer, a real problem, and a system, not perfection. Okay, so if you don't want to create your own product yet, this is also where master resale rights products can help. Okay, if you want to know how to use master resale rights to earn online, a strong MRR product can help you start faster, skip the product creation, focus on marketing, keep 100% of the profit, and use done-for-you resources and proof that already exists. Okay, you can start selling immediately with a done-for-you product and marketing assets, and that is actually how I got started and made my first $900 in my first 2 days as a beginner. Okay. It's important that you choose a reputable product. Okay. If you're multitasking, come back to me now because this is important. Choose a reputable product that has great testimonials and excellent marketing training and assets. Okay. If you're interested in the program that I personally used to earn $15,300 in my first 30 days, I linked it in the description below. Okay, so now here's the most important piece. Pre-selling is not just about speed. It's about confidence, okay? Because nothing builds confidence like proof. Nothing improves your money mindset faster than seeing someone actually buy your product, okay? Nothing helps you stop overthinking faster than knowing this is working, okay? That is why I want you to stop romanticizing the giant product and start validating faster. Your confidence will grow by making sales, and your clarity will grow by making sales, and your product will get better because of real buyers that are making your sales. Okay. So if you want to create a digital product in 24 hours and actually sell it, here's the simple path. Start with the promise, choose one simple product type, pre-sell it before you overbuild it, create the checkout page first, use AI and free tools to move faster, sell it through a simple system, and then let real buyers help validate the idea. Or invest in a reputable master resale rights digital product and skip the product creation and all of the marketing assets and just go straight into selling. Okay, that is the fastest path to traction and the fastest path to making money with digital products online. So if you want to learn my free digital product system, watch this next video where I share how I went from burnout to $15,000 months working part-time hours as a mom with 3 kids under 7 at home. See you in the next video.